Hello everyone. Hi Aquarius, air sign. So this is January weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. Happy New Year guys. So let's see your reading. Your messages. What's going on Aquarius? Air sign. Under the deck, the lovers. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini also. Yeah, you love your person. There is love between both of you and there is intimacy also between both of you. So let's see what's going on in your connection. The recent past in your life. The recent past, Six of Pentacles, Emperor and Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, I think someone is coming back to you to offer equal give and take. Yeah, now this time your person may be sincere, but you working on your career, you want to achieve financial stability because Nine of Pentacles, for some you already achieved that. Now you stand by your power, Aquarius, because Nine of Pentacles here and Six of Pentacles. I think there is no balance in your financial management in past, but now you achieved it. Finally you achieved your balance. Now you are very grounded. And Nine of Pentacles, you are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. Now someone is coming back to you, the Emperor. Now they want to commit to you, they want to marry you. If you are in relationship, they want to take this relationship to next level. In past already they approached you, if not in near future they will. So what's going now? Seven of Pentacles and the Magician and Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, someone want to come back. And Knight of Pentacles means, yeah, they are very sincere, but they are coming back slowly. But they are sincere this time. The Magician and Seven of Pentacles, you are investing your money in something. Okay, a lot of businesses, what I'm saying, or for some you already invested your money in something and waiting for the result because you achieved financial stability already, or you invested your emotions in some relationship and you are waiting for that person. Yeah, they're coming back now because Knight of Pentacles is there. And Magician, definitely you are manifesting financial stability and relationships in your life. You are in manifesting, you are a Magician energy right now, Aquarius. So your wishes are going to be true and you will manifest whatever you want. Okay. And the near future, the Star, King of Swords and Queen of Cups. I think there's some communication is coming in your way. I think you are very straightforward person and you are very honest person. And you have so many emotions for your person, Queen of Cups, and you are very caring and giving person, what I'm saying here, Aquarius. But someone want to express their feelings, King of Swords. Yeah, there are some communication truth coming out. Okay. And the Star, definitely they treated you as a star and you are seeing very positive changes in your life. Yeah, in near future, because you are manifesting everything in your life, Aquarius. I think it is very positive reading for you. Definitely there are some positive changes coming in your life. The person involved in this connection could be Lord of Earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings and then near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. First we will see your person current feelings. Okay, Chariot, the Sun, the Judgment. Yeah. And under the deck, Five of Pentacles. For some there is separation or cold shouldering, even though you are in a relationship. Maybe there is no much communication between both of you. Yeah. So your person current feelings is Chariot, the Sun and Judgment. Yeah. I think your person may be in past in and out of your life. Maybe they are not offer commitment to you, but now they are going to be offer commitment because they want to take this relationship to next level. The Chariot, the Sun. Yeah. Definitely they want to marry you. And Judgment, they are gonna choose you. They are going to be make some decisions regarding this relationship, what I'm saying here. Yeah. The person involved in this connection could be Cancer also. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Aquarius. Definitely they are coming back. If you are in separation, they already made their mind. Four of Wands. Emperor 2 times. Knight of Wands. Yeah, there is a lot of passion involved. They're coming back with a lot of passion. And the Emperor, definitely this time they want to offer stability, commitment. Four of Wands, they want celebration with you, reunion with you if you are in separation. And you both could be twin flames also. And here a lot of fire energy. You person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius also involved in this connection. Yeah, if you are in separation, they're ready to mingle. So yeah, they're coming back with a lot of passion. They want you back. They want to win you back again in their life. Because you are very giving person, you are very caring person, Aquarius. But you stand by your power. This time it's up to you to give another chance to your person or not. So let's pull some cards from universe. Yeah, under the deck, Six of Pentacles. Definitely this time they're ready to offer equal give and take. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Again, the Gemini, there is love between both of you. Yeah, I think Nine of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. I think your person is already abundant. Maybe they achieved financial stability. You both are very financially stable, what I am getting here. And Ace of Wands, definitely they want brand new beginnings with you. There is a lot of passion involved. Yeah, Chariot. Two cards I am not taking. The person involved in this connection could be Cancer also. Queen of Wands. Under the deck, Eight of Swords. One person in this connection could be stuck right now. They don't know which decision they have to make. Yeah, the Chariot with Queen of Wands. Yeah, it is you. Aquarius, you stand by your power, definitely. And Chariot, you also want to take things to next level. Definitely, you also want this reconciliation, but you are not telling what I'm getting here. Yeah, but your person want to express their feelings to you. They're coming back for second chance. I think most of you will reconcile definitely because you also want the same thing but not expressing what I'm getting here. Yeah, this relationship is going to be next level if you both take decision, but they want new beginnings with you for sure because Ace of Wands. And let's see your overall energy for the week, Aquarius. See the Lover, same card again and again. Page of Pentacles, Temperance and Three of Cups. Yes, reconciliation is coming, reunion, celebration, Temperance, waiting for the right time. I think you are taking your time and you achieved patience also, Aquarius. And the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius also. Yeah, I think you may be waiting for the right time or you're waiting for your person. Page of Pentacles, communication. If you are in separation, definitely will receive message from your person. And yeah, the Lovers. Definitely there is love between both of you. Yeah, for sure. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Queen of Cups. Yeah, already told you one person. I think your person may be stuck. They're missing you so much. Yeah, Five of Swords. I think they are thinking, yeah, Six of Swords, communication. They want to fix the things between both of you because there maybe for some there are a lot of disturbances between both of you, misunderstandings. Yeah, they are missing you so much. They are suffering in silence. They are thinking about you a lot. Yeah, Eight of Swords, but they are feeling stuck, but they have strong emotions for you. Yeah, they want brand new beginnings with you. They are coming back because Nine of Pentacles is there, but it is very slow moving energy, and you got Temperance card. If your person want you back, if you want your person back, please wait patiently because Temperance is there. So in divine timing, maybe it will take for some it will take more time, for some it will take less time. It depends on your situation. So let's see your messages from Moon Oracle deck. But always be in high vibration. That may help you to reconcile or to come your person fast. Being in a high vibration. Adjustments are required. Yeah, I think even though you both will reconcile, definitely there are some adjustments are required. Yeah, maybe there are some religious issues. If you are in love, there may be some another issues also. If there are any issues, definitely adjustments are required if you both want each other. That is the messages for you. Or in working area also, there are right now there are some adjustments. Okay, so this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.